Your subconscious mind is like the silent engine driving your life. Most of your beliefs, habits, and reactions are programmed without you even realizing it. But what if you could rewrite that program to create the life you truly want? Today, we'll learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Your conscious mind makes decisions, but your subconscious stores the patterns, good or bad, that shape those decisions. It's like the autopilot of your life. If you've been stuck in fear, doubt, or procrastination, it's often because your subconscious is running an old script. Start by noticing your inner dialogue. What do you say to yourself when you face challenges? Write down these beliefs and ask, are they true or just old stories you've been carrying? Awareness is the first step to change. Your subconscious learns through repetition and emotion. Replace negative thoughts with empowering affirmations. Instead of, I can't do this, say, I am learning and growing every